Whether you picked up a Bravo Smart convection oven to make a delicious roast or healthier fried foods, here's a brief visual guide. Bravo comes with lots of advanced smart features from hardware, software, to accessories, so you may have questions as to how to use them properly. This how-to video is meant to help, and we have printed materials from the labels to the manual for help. Be careful to remove all plastic wrapping. That includes all plastic that you may have not noticed right away. And make sure that you're not missing parts. So, let's get it started. When you turn on the Bravo, you will see a full display of 12 preset, and the default set temperatures of 350 degrees for 15 minutes with true preheat with top and bottom power at 100%, with fan speed at 3. If you're not comfortable with Fahrenheit, you can change the display to Celsius by pressing the temperature and the sear button together. When you select menu, you can choose one of 12 presets, and it's a one-touch operation with automated true preheating linked with certain presets. Preheating often makes a huge difference in the results. However, you can turn off the automatic setting pending your personal preference. While the oven is preheating, you can prep your ingredients as desired. You will know that the oven is preheating by the flashing of temperature. Once preheating is done, you'll hear a beep and will have a 5-minute countdown to place in the food. Place them in and press start, and your part in the kitchen is done. If you want to see the progress of your food, simply press the light button to see inside the cooking chamber better. With Bravo, you can control not only the temperature and time, but also the power level of the top heater, bottom heater, and even the fan level. You can adjust the corresponding feature by pressing the button and adjust it with the dial. Bravo also comes with 5 special feature buttons that you may use often to help your cooking experience. The temperature probe is a great unique function for NUWAVE Bravo, as it gives a perfect result. To operate the probe, plug in the probe. Other end of the probe, you can insert it into the food. Place the food into the Bravo and close the door. Press probe and you can see the probe temperature. Press probe and hold for 2 beeps. Default target temperature will show, or you can adjust it from 50 degrees to 212 degrees. Press start and the Bravo will cook until the internal temperature reaches your set temperature. Do you like steak? Like the professional chef, with the Bravo XL, you can brown the steak with flavors and juices locked in using 3 different sear settings on the grill. Sear 1 sears the meat before cooking. Sear 2 sears the meat after cooking. Sear 1, 2 or both sears the meat before and after cooking. Another popular feature is the toast function. The default setting is 5, a nice golden brown toast. It has 10 different toast settings with preheat, like 1 being lightest and 10 being darkest. And you can fit 6 toasts comfortably to feed the entire family. Have you ruined the food because you forgot to change the cooking temperature? Not anymore. Now you can set up 5 different cooking temperatures with a timer, so you don't need to babysit the oven. Now you can make your pizza by controlling the top and bottom heaters, and even fan speed separately in multiple stages. No matter which method of cooking you select, you'll know your delicious pizza is ready when you hear it beep. Bravo allows saving your recipe from 101 to 150 slots. Select your temperature and time, hold program to save. Use the dial to the program number you choose, hold program, and it will be saved to this number. Not ready to eat yet? Or waiting for your loved one to arrive? Press the warm button and press start. You can adjust the warm temperature from 50 degrees to 200 degrees, from 1 minute to 3 hours. When you are not cooking, use the Bravo XL as a clock. To adjust the clock, press time and preheat together and adjust time using the dial, and once set, press the on-off button and it will display time. Check out the manual and app for original NUWAVE recipes. Go on and get started. If you need any more info, remember, we have a friendly NUWAVE support team available to help.